Welcome back everyone, it is Amelia. I hope you are fine. The Monsterverse just went bigger than ever before thanks to DC. Even though it might not be canonical to Legendary's official Monsterverse timeline, you can't say that Godzilla and Kong's latest epic crossover with the Justice League isn't entertaining. Just before the release of Monarch: Legacy of Monsters Season 2, the Monsterverse franchise left it all out on the field in the final issue of DC's Justice League vs. Godzilla vs. King Kong number 7 by Brian Buccellato and Christian Deuce, essentially a major mashup of previous movie battles combined into one epic battle, plus the Justice League. The final of DC's Justice League vs. Godzilla vs. Kong 2 is a massive Monsterverse love letter. The final issue of Justice League vs. Godzilla vs. Kong 2 is pure crossover chaos in the best possible way. Thanks to Lex Luthor's development of a titanizing formula, we've seen classic DC villains like King Shark and Killer Croc becoming monstrous kaiju-scale threats, and even some Justice League heroes becoming massive primal versions of themselves too. However, everything culminates in the series final with a final fight that basically feels like every other Monsterverse showdown rolled into one. Godzilla, King Kong, and Mothra are all featured as key allies, along with Shimo. After the large titan with ice breath is freed from the Scar King and his giant ape followers. Beyond the Scar King, there's also King Ghidorah and Rodan as major threats, and even titans like Scylla and the mammoth-like Behemoth enter the fray along with the Titaness Cheetah. In the midst of this major titan showdown, we also have the Justice League backing up Godzilla and Kong's side, with Aquaman offering limited communication between the nobler monsters and the League. Martian Manhunter transforms into a massive dragon to take on Ghidorah, while Hal Jordan's Green Lantern gives Kong some impressive green armor and creates a massive construct of parallax to keep the rogue titans occupied. However, we also saw Superman, Supergirl, and Wonder Woman taking the Titan formula themselves, becoming colossal primal versions of their iconic forms. Naturally, the battle reaches its ultimate peak with Superman and Supergirl unleashing their Kryptonian heat vision on Ghidorah alongside Godzilla and Shimo's powerful atomic and ice breath, obliterating the alien titan for good. All in all, it's quite an impressive final, despite not technically being canon to the official Monsterverse. Monarch Season 2 will continue the canonical Monsterverse in some very cool ways, while crossovers like this new one with DC exist outside the main continuity. The canonical Monsterverse is still expanding as well, with the imminent release of Monarch: Legacy of Monsters Season 2, continuing the story largely set between 2014's Godzilla and 2019's Godzilla, King of the Monsters, exploring Monarch's origins and secret history alongside humanity's evolving understanding of Titans. Monarch Season 2 promises even deeper dives into Hollow Earth, Axis Mundi, and even debuting a brand new monster known simply as Titan X, who's apparently worshipped by all sea life. All things considered, it's pretty obvious that there's never been a better time to be a Monsterverse fan. Give me some ideas related to my video in comments below if you like this video, and subs for more upcoming videos.